Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage Siri on your earbuds SOUNDCORE A30i. You have to start by opening the application and now scroll down, go to Controls here. Then decide you want to use the left one or right one earbud. So if you want to use the right one, just click on it. I'm going with the left one. And then we can add it for the double press, triple press and press and hold, but we can add it for the single press. So choose the best one for you. I'm going with the triple tap. Just click on it and choose Siri. Here we go. And now if I press 3 times on my left earbud, I should call it Siri. So let's check it. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, Siri is awake, so it worked. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.